So for C part, they're asking us to take the base 10 logarithm, of each number y. So what we need to do is highlight list 3, and then all you need to do here is take the log, so you'll hit log on your calculator, of list 2, since we're asked to do it of y. And then those values end up in your calculator, and so that's probably what you would have written down for this particular step. And then we want to show that the linear pattern confirms that it's exponential. So now what you can do is go back to where you turn on your plot and change that list 2 to list 3 now. Again, we want to do zoom stat. And now this does appear to be linear. And again, if you were to put this on your paper, of course, you would want to label both axes, and you would want to go to your window so that you could clearly label everything when you put it on your paper. And then D asked us to verify the equation of the line. Okay, an issue here is that this should actually be y hat. Okay, in your book, that should have a hat over it. So it shouldn't just say log y, it should say log y hat. And then let's go back. We are asked to, we are asked to prove or verify that the line fitted to the transformed data. So we want to go to stat, calc, and I always choose number 8 because it is a plus bx rather than ax plus b. So stat, calc, number 8. And then we put in list 1, comma, list 3, and I sure do hope that I have my y equals screens cleared. If I don't, I'm going to go to vars, y vars, function y1, so that it'll store it in my y equals screen. I really hope it's clean. And then, so what we should have done when I kept on saying I really hope it's clean, you should check and make sure your y equals screen doesn't have anything in it when you do this. But anyways, we can verify that yes, this does in fact match the negative 1094 and the 0.5558. So it would say log y hat. So again, that's an error in your book. It should say log y hat. All right, and so the next question asked us to try to perform the inverse transformation using the definition of logarithm and what happens. So your book is kind of idiotic here because I'm going to show you why. It's going to be funny because your calculator's smarter. Your book thinks your calculator is going to do something. All right, so what we need to do is go to our y equals screen. This should have been